Andrea here. My car, the Mitsubishi Lancer. As in literally a Lancer, not the Evolution, but merge it with the Lancer and the Evolution together. And by doing that, we achieve a lighter, pretty much a lighter Evo. We're running the 4G63 2-liter engine with a Garrett 30 turbo. The car is putting out like 530 horsepower on high boost, like 490 on the low boost. This is the 5th time that I'm actually driving the car. It's pretty new, and as long as the rev's clean, you know, I'll do my part, and hopefully I can give you guys a you know, a very exciting day. Big up 876 every time.